How to fix Google Hangout camera not working problem. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 Million Ideas YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix Google Hangout camera not working problem. So guys, for this you have to go to your Hangout, to your settings, mobile phone settings, and then go to install apps or app manager. Click on install apps and then search for Hangout. Here is it, click on Hangout and then you can see here force stop button, click on force stop and press OK. And then you can see here app permission, click on app permission and you have to allow the camera. And then again go back and then search for camera. You can find your camera, so click on camera and then again you can see here force stop button, click on force stop and press OK. And then you can see here app permission, click on app permission and you have to allow all this permission here. You have to allow all the permission here. The problem will be solved. Thanks for watching.